Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market ever since the Fed interest rate decision, there's been a little bit of a volatile crypto market, especially if you look at the Bitcoin price. It did actually retest close to 100,000, and there's a lot of fear as people are sidelining themselves trying to make a decision in terms of what direction the crypto market is going to go. This is probably your perfect time to DCA into your favorite coin or actually find a new coin that you personally are going to be investing in, so the next leg up you will be able to make extreme profit. There is one specific one which I have been paying attention to, and that is crypto all-stars. Just to give you perspective, if you guys do not know, right now meme coins have dropped a significant amount. You can also talk about Dogecoin. There is a lot of big meme coins which are coming out, such as the penguins, which was not the best hit. That's all I'm going to say. But right now, if you combine them all, they're still doing quite a large sum of overall market condition and controlling it. So this one actually puts all of your favorite meme coins together, such as Bonk, Pepe, Flocky, and Brad. So you guys know that all of them come together could be a huge deal. And you know what's the best part about this token right now? It's still in pre-sale. The pre-sale is coming to an end. This is your final chance. In about a day it's going to be ending and the token is going to be going live. Just to give you perspective, the last project that this team actually released hit a market cap or starting market cap of close to 300 million. So the one I'm talking about is Unchained Pepe. If you guys have been looking around, you guys know Unchained Pepe just about 5 days ago was huge, and this is the next project. Crypto All-Stars has only raised about $23 million, so even if it just makes it to $100, that will be 5 times your money. Right now, if you do decide to purchase it, you can also stake it away for 145% return, which is your per annum return. They've already got all their audits done, no problems at all. The contract is literally perfect. And there's another audit just to give you perspective. It's a perfect team that's been working on different things for a long time. No critical high, medium, or low issues. If you keep scrolling down, what is their purpose? Well, world's first unfied staking, secure and transparent, massive reward potential, and meme market exposure. Now, we all know that meme coins are definitely going to give you huge returns, and putting all of them together is definitely going to be doing some big things. I mean, the top 10 meme coins ever created, while adding an additional utility and value for holders of all meme coin. They have been featured on some really big names such as Bitcoin.com, Crypto News, and Technopedia. If you do decide to purchase it, I mean, this is the roadmap that you should be paying attention to. Once the pre-sale comes to an end, the token will be launched and unlocking the vault. Every whale and small investor from every major meme coin will be in the house as Crypto All-Star launches its revolutionary meme vault network. All top memes can be staked, however you must own stars to max out. How is the incentive? So you guys can see that they're trying to pretty much promote this coin, at the same time have some sort of utility, so more people are tempted to actually put some money in. This is going to be the tokenomics, which is 20% is set to the pre-sale, 25% to the pre-sale staking to pay everyone, 20% to marketing, 10% to the DEX listing, and 25% to meme vault economy. And how do you buy? It's very simple. You can just go to the link in the description. It will take you to this website. You guys just need to click on buy with card or buy with crypto. Once you guys do click it, it will give you the option to connect your wallet, and then you can just select how much you want to purchase, and from there you guys will be able to just send your crypto. If you do decide to use card, it's equally as easy in my opinion. And also their Twitter has a huge following, nearly 20,000 followers right now, and you can see 12 hours the post was made and 7,000 views. So there is a lot of people which are paying very close attention to this token, and definitely they are getting the attention. It's not just fake followers which are not having the engagement. On the other end, their Telegram has about 7,000 subscribers, which is huge. And just keeping in mind that this token is still in pre-sale stage, the team definitely has a huge backup on this token. And overall, I do think the best thing to do right now would be personally just buy the token and stake it in the time that it decides to grow. And as the crypto market is going to make a recovery, tokens like this are going to be very, very explosive. As I mentioned, if you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description, and then you guys just need to go ahead and select what you want to purchase through. And the price right now might be sitting just at 0.1 cent, but maybe even just at the release it might just go to 1 cent, which could give you a 10x really quickly. Other than that, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys have a great day, happy trading, and I'll see you guys soon.